aesthetic lecture. Today we'll discuss smile analysis. Smile analysis for the dentist, not the laboratories, nor the patient. The aesthetic parameters are numerous and multiple. Some of them are the lip length, like the lip length, lip arc, lip mobility, smile fullness, smile breadth, smile arc, gingival display, gel spines, and incisal plane and buccal corridors. To simplify the idea about the smile analysis, we'll have four dimensions: A, B, C, and D. A will represent distance of the appearing or the shown teeth. B is the distance from between both internal commissures. C is the distance between the external commissures, and D is the breadth of the face at the level of the commissures. Now we discuss the smile parameters. The first one is the smile fullness, which is the visible width of the maxillary anterior teeth, A, divided by the inner commissure distance, B. Okay? The maximum value is 1. The buccal corridor is the difference between the maxillary visible dentition width and the inner commissures width divided by the inner commissures to get a percentage. That means that the buccal corridor width will be equal to B minus A over B. Okay? Like here, you see the buccal corridor width, which is very obvious in the photo of Miss Williams, while the contrary for his wife here on. You can observe also this. The incisal plane. The incisal plane is the line of curve formed by the canine tips passing by the incisal edges of the maxillary anterior. The ideal goal is that the incisal plane is in harmony or coinciding to the curvature of the lower lip, and here it will form the smile arc. The smile arc is the curvature of the maxillary teeth in relation to the curvature of the lower lips, or tooth-lip arc difference. Here are some examples from the celebrities for the incisal arc condition. The aesthetic parameters are numerous and multiple. Some of them are the lip length, like the lip length, lip arc, lip mobility, smile fullness, smile breadth, smile arc, gingival display, gel spines, and incisal plane and buccal corridors. It's not a single relation, but in multiple relations. Okay. Here also we can see the same relation, 1.618 to 1 to 0.618. This golden relation is very important in the determination of the height of the teeth, where both widths of the two central incisors is in golden relation with the height of the teeth, 1.618 to 1. This will end or result in the width to height relation of the central incisor that will be comprised between 75% to 80%. The contact and embrasures are in relation to each other. The embrasure is in what we call the 20 or the 30, 40, 50 relation, okay, moving backward toward the posterior region, while the contact relation or the connector relation is on the other direction. It's 50, 40, 30 relation going backward toward the posterior teeth. Okay, here is the relation, okay, contact relation and embrasure relation. They are in inverse relation to each other. Okay, do you propose to your patient embrasure or flat teeth like what they call the on smile? Patients usually prefers embrasure, wide embrasures, and relation of 30, 40, 50 relation. Okay. The diastema, 90% of the patient prefer no diastema. The gingival display. So it was agreed that increasing of the gingival showing more than 2 millimeter will affect progressively the attractiveness of the smile. Here is the scale of the showing of the smile from -5 to +5. An example of the showing of the smile, how this smile was affected by the high gummy smile showing of the pretty lips. Here, Meg Ryan is the same, okay, and Prince William also is a gummy. Okay. Like here, you see the buccal going wall width, which is very obvious in the photo of Prince Williams, while the contrary for his wife. The contact and embrasures are in relation to, okay? Okay. Do you propose to your patient embrasure or flat teeth like what they call the on smile? Patients usually prefers embrasure, wide embrasures, and relation of 30, 40, 50 relation. Okay. The diastema, 90% of the patient prefer no diastema.